I am at Lake Cowichan, attuning to Mother Earth, trying to center and get grounded with my feet in the lake, and asking Mother Nature through this rock to take all my sadness, sorrows from the past and help me to live in the moment of joy and communion with you and Mother Nature. And I'm going to send this rock into the ocean, the lake now. Boop. And I'm going to give you the view of the lake. It's quite lovely. Quite a lovely place. That's my son's boat. He has this lovely cabin at the lake. Quite lovely. And I hope you too can get back to nature too. Many blessings. Mare.